So sadly, our old refrigerator did not work, so we got another one. This is one of the bigger expenses. They are not cheap. Yeah, they're not cheap, are they, Bubba? We got this. This one was like kind of the surplus, so it has some scratches and whatnot on it, but saved us some money. But otherwise, it's new. Doesn't quite fit exactly. Hard to find an exact fit for this older style, but we will open it now. Stay back, Mommy has a sharp knife.
Wow!
There it is! Look at that!
Oh, wow! Open that!
I did order a kit. It was just like $12 so we could swap the door so it opens from the other side. So that should be coming in the mail. I was told by our local RV guy to only buy Dometic. He said that that gives them the least amount of trouble compared to Norcold and some of those. So I got the Dometic kind.
Oh!
There we go. How cool is that? I see your pamper. Oh.
Wow!
Wow, instructions. You're a okay, fans up. I got this outlet fixed and glued. Now I need to add some wood in the refrigerator part right here, because the refrigerator we bought is a little bit smaller and there's going to be gaps. So I need to figure that one out, add wood, then I'm going to have a little bit more painting and a lot of touch-up to do too. Like marks everywhere. You probably can't see it, but we've been working in this a lot since it's painted, and Xander's been all over the place with his dirty feet and hands from the shop. So it's gonna take a major cleaning and a lot of touch-up paint, but that's okay. Let's hope I cut this right. I'm not the best of cutters, that's for sure. Make so many mistakes sometimes. Let's hope it fits. I tried to measure just a hair big in case I was wrong. Okay, I got this to fit, and now I need to pre-drill. I'm going to glue this in place, but pre-drill holes up caddy corner so I can run some screws into the side. It's kind of, I hope it's good enough. So I already have this piece in. It sure is nice when something goes faster than you expected. I got this all built out. You like it, Bubba?
I love it.
Now I'm just gonna wait for the glue to dry, and then I'm gonna caulk some of the gaps that weren't, the cuts weren't the best. And then we'll paint it. Don't touch that, okay? Yep, it's all wet. Bubba, what did Mommy say? That's wet too. Yeah. Don't touch, okay? Here, Mommy? Yeah, don't touch it.
Oh, here.
Yeah, Mommy will get it for you. Here. Give me your hand. Now stay back, don't touch. Right now I'm going to try and see if I can figure out how to switch this door from one side to the other. I bought the conversion kit. Let's hope I bought the right one. Because I want the door to swing towards the bathroom and not towards the main walkway. This should come off. Said it yet, we're gonna take the door off. Hold on. Oh, it does pop off. Okay. Detach the top decor panel. Use a socket wrench to loose the upper hinge. Lift door off. Hey, no. Don't step on that. I'm sorry. Look, it'll just break if you step on it, okay? Shall we get a wrench? Let's loosen this up, okay? You help Mom. Come. Let's go over here. Wow, let's see which one fits. Ooh, there we go. Okay. No. Look, this comes off. Now, that goes up here. Well, figures. Got the completely wrong set. So I'm gonna have to reorder. When I was struggling with this door, I went back in to message the person that I had bought the kit from, and then I realized it had both sides, like both sides of the hinges. So I came back out and actually found the parts and very easily got the door swapped. I didn't have my camera along, I just wanted to quickly do it. So I actually got the whole door swapped to swing the opposite way. Also, I have everything painted in there, like that little frame that I put around for the fridge. So we're just ready to put the fridge in. I'm trying to decide if I can get it done without my husband's help. Almost dropped it. Janine, you're insane. Come. Mommying me. What?
Mommy. Mom.
What?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
Better fit. Make this just so. Okay. Right.
Go.
I'm sorry. Hey! Say good job, Mom. I got it in. Now the fun's going to be hooking everything up in the back. But this is actually not the finished piece. I need to find like a panel to go into it. And while it is new, it is pretty boogered up. Like there's a bunch of marks, but it's okay. I got it for a good bit less than a brand new one out of the factory. So hopefully it all works. Can you get Mommy a little tape measure, please? Thank you, Bella. Whoa. When we bought the fridge, it didn't come with like a door panel, so we had to come up with our own. I went to Lowe's and bought like a sheet of, like a fiberglass sheet. I just wanted, I don't know, it's about all I could find that would work. I let it off gas outside for a while. Hopefully it'll be okay. I'm gonna put it on the fridge. It was a bit expensive. I hope I can sell the rest of the stuff. But anyway, besides the point, let's see if this fits, if I got the right measurements. How awesome is that? That'd be neat.
Hey. Okay,